Good afternoon, Todd Butterfield for LearnCrypto.io. This here little update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few other smaller cap coins we've been monitoring for purchase. In front of us is our Bitcoin chart, and we did have a Wyckoff sell off the technometer down here. That was on the 29th. That was up there at the 72,800 high. That kind of put suspect on this Elliott wave count that we do show once in a while for crypto. We've been showing a 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and stopping here made it still look like some type of vending diagonal. So we did take profits at what was it, 71,700, I believe it was. I'll have to double check that number, but we was long partial positions back here at 62,800 and change was the number. And with us having the Wyckoff sell signal here on the 29th, then it made us think possibly that an Elliott wave count could be the following, which is an ABC rally, and then this was the ending diagonal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or A, B, C, D, E. Now that's a very bearish count, and I'd said that would prevail, we'd see a sell-off down to 58,000, which then would actually probably have a sell-off to 46,000. So don't want to get ahead of myself, but again, taking that sell signal and giving that to patreon.com/learncrypto, we're now on the defensive looking for lower, and we have had that happen. We got a technometer down here around 41.6 to 42 on most of the Bitcoin charts. So at some point here, we might be looking for a bounce. And then once again, we'll look for some type of Elliott wave labeling for that. But for now, again, we're looking for lower. If we look at Ethereum, same type of thing. We were selling there at 25.75, I believe the number was. That was back here, right here, what was it, on the 28th. We did work higher for a day and a half or so, and got me a little nervous that possibly we were going to break out. But once again, we have failed. We're back in here on the uptrend support line. This bullish count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in green, starting to look suspect. Looks like we've got a sideways triangle here that's going to resolve lower. So once again, looking for lower. You can see no buy volume in Ethereum, which made us a little bit suspect. So we took we took losses on 2 25% positions because we thought we could get it back cheaper. So on the sidelines looking to buy back lower. Technometer here, 40.33, but Ethereum has underperformed, so we're going to let this drift lower. Bitcoin dominance chart, Nick and I have been talking about this on the YouTube streams. We had the Wyckoff accumulation there for going back to 2021. We looked like target to me was up here at 60, 61, 62. So we're 60.34. We topped out around 60.5. I still think you can see a little more dominance here from Bitcoin. So let's look for these alts still to bleed out a little bit. And then a few of the alts we were kind of looking at. Drift has Wyckoff labels here. It has been outperforming, trying to hold in here. So we still kind of want to watch this one. If we turn bullish on Ethereum, we're going to look at Drift. Also, CAS is one that we sold at 0.158, I believe it was, up here, as you can see from the red arrow. Have not bought that back yet. We did have an oversold technometer, but we weren't really friendly there in the overall market, so we didn't take that. And you can see here, no oversold technometers. Down here at what was some good support. If we move out here on the chart. So still like the chart, but nothing telling me to get in right here, right now. NPC, another one with the Wyckoff labels. We thought that was a sign of strength, last point of support. You can see here, big sell volume coming into new lows, while price is continuing to work higher. This coin looks like it could be one that definitely could be good if we return to a bull market. And then TAO, another one was acting very well. We did get oversold yesterday. I think that looks like a jump and a backup, so that's again one that could dig in here and lead us to the upside. And then let's look at SOL real quick, one that looks like it has higher to go ultimately. Looks like we've got some, again, another accumulation range here after what was ending 5 waves up into a buying climax. We've had a spring and a test. So again, we get an oversold technometer here. I would be wanting to buy SOL as well. And then last but not least, let's look at BNB. Another one that was locked in a sideways. That 600 resistance held it back again. I think we get up there next time, it will break through that. Technometer 39.6. So we'll be watching this one as well. So to recap, still looks lower to me on crypto in general. Looks like Bitcoin dominant, still going to be a little bit higher. But be prepared on some of these coins that you want to get. Join us at patreon.com/learncrypto. Nick just had a 10x in about 3 or 4 days on a meme coin. He's been killing some of those. So if that's your thing, $40 a month, you can get in there and get these trades in real time. Have a great week trading.